This data confirms the insertion depth is calibrated correctly across all units.
Good. The reliability metrics are holding steady.
The EMI shielding passed the compatibility standards.
Performance metrics look good across all boards tested. The diffraction pattern matches the baseline perfectly.
Confirmed. Structural integrity is verified after the stress test. This adjustment ensures we meet the stringent performance specifications.
Precision and quality consistency verified.
Thermal profiling complete. Signal integrity validated.
Boundary scan confirms specifications are met. Quality consistency achieved.
The X-ray imaging confirms the alignment is within spec.
Yield metrics are optimizing. We can increase throughput on this batch.
Our advanced systems utilize laser marking equipment for signal integrity validation, meeting stringent industry standards for exceptional precision and quality.
Systems integration is complete. The software reveals optimal production efficiency.
Predictive analytics confirm exceptional quality outcomes.
Predictive analytics conforms optimal efficiency here. Looks like the integration is stable.
Agreed. Quality outcomes are exceptional across the board.
Advanced systems integration phase meticulously implementing clean room pressure differential monitoring, presenting sophisticated yield optimization methodologies. Defect detected in the discharge network, sector gamma.
Adjusting parameters for optimal yield.
Anomaly resolved. Quality outcomes confirmed. We're implementing sophisticated signal integrity validation testing with comprehensive real-time monitoring capabilities and automated data collection. Comprehensive testing procedures conducting rigorous electromagnetic interference testing utilizing statistical process control systems with certified instrumentation. Susceptibility testing complete. Results meet stringent standards. Verified. Documenting compliance for product release. Character B, review the optimization metrics. The accelerated testing is complete.
Documentation is finalized. It meets all standard protocols.
Reliability demonstration testing is complete. The results demonstrate operational excellence.
Quality approved. Inspection complete. All thermal specs are within tolerance. Good. Yield projections are holding steady at 98%.
The acoustic measurement on Chamber 2 is complete. Readings look good.
Confirmed. Authorizing release based on these results.
Engines. The power consumption verification test is showing stable results.
Utilizing the certified...
Based on the oscilloscope analysis, the signal integrity validation passed.
The timing analysis on channel 3 is finally stable.
Confirmed. The electromagnetic compatibility standards are met.
Our advanced analytics platforms utilize real-time data to forecast failures, allowing cross-functional...
Verify the parameters against Section 3 of the manual.
Confirmed. The analytics platform shows optimal yield projection.
Initiating calibration sequence now.
Implementing operator skill competency certification, utilizing automated surface mount technology and advanced analytics platforms. Utilizing these SPC systems allows our cross-functional teams to drive continuous improvement, maximizing manufacturing excellence globally.
As you can see, our cost reduction program is maximizing manufacturing excellence and efficiency across the board.
The analytics confirm the latest batch meets specifications.
Ramping up production now. Reliability metrics look excellent. By integrating these advanced analytics platforms, we've optimized our throughput capacity utilization significantly. The defect detection system identified an anomaly in inventory turnover.
We need to optimize the strategy utilizing the...
Our approach demonstrates operational excellence and a continuous commitment to innovation and quality improvement.
The advanced analytics platform confirms our operational efficiency targets are met.
Customer feedback integration is...
Our advanced analytics platforms confirm the sustainable practices are working.
We've reduced the warranty return rate significantly.
Signal integrity validation confirms the anomaly.
What is over?
We need to cross-reference the field failure data immediately.
Agreed. Operations. The advanced analytics platforms are crucial for our obsolescence management planning.
How are we integrating the new EMC standards?
The advanced analytics platforms confirm that our reliability qualification programs are maximizing operational efficiency and ensuring consistent quality.
The regression models confirm a 15% increase in efficiency.
That data aligns perfectly with the simulation parameters.
The integration sequence is stable. We're seeing a 30% efficiency gain on assembly.
That confirms the projections for a competitive advantage.
The convergence matrix is stable.
Power consumption is optimized. We are ready for integration.
Excellent.
Study process. If we modify the CVD process here, we can enhance conductivity for the flexible displays.
Agreed. The data supports that.
This substrate shows consistent conductivity across the flex bends.
Good. We can move to the pilot manufacturing phase.
What about the stress test data?
The robotic arm sequence is complete.
Yield metrics are nominal. Regulatory checks passed.
The AR overlay confirms the calibration is complete.
Initiating the next assembly sequence now.
These analytics confirm our sustainability frameworks are optimizing performance across the supply chain.
Reviewing the enterprise intelligence data now. Risk management seems stable. Good. Let's optimize the framework for the European market launch.
By leveraging these enterprise intelligence platforms, we can optimize our talent development initiatives.
And the market and
product reliability is holding steady at 98%.
And the quality index just hit 99.85. Our optimization strategies are working. We must leverage these analytics to optimize our Q3 spend.
Market data suggests a 15% reduction in manufacturing.
The Q3 demand forecast is stabilizing.
Confirming raw material allocation for the Asia-Pac region. This advanced manufacturing facility is the heart of a global electronics supply chain. An A complete integrated production ecosystem, strategically positioned within a global electronics supply chain infrastructure network.
This facility represents operational excellence, with automated systems running synchronized production and integrated quality control.
The integrated production ecosystem, strategically positioned within the global supply chain infrastructure, serves billions of consumers worldwide. The evolution of electronics manufacturing, from hand assembly to advanced robotics, demonstrates our commitment to continuous innovation. These control charts indicate an anomaly in the manufacturing parameters.
If we adjust the specifications now, we can maximize the Q3 yield efficiency.
This flowchart integrates the new sustainability protocols directly into the sourcing parameters.
Right, ensuring compliance while maintaining performance targets.
This design specification is critical for the QA testing phase.
If we look at the performance targets here, we need to optimize the manufacturing parameter. Analyzing these thermal simulations allows us to finalize the critical design specifications. How does this impact the yield?
This waveform exhibits signal degradation, failing the performance targets.
We must update the design specifications to address this manufacturing parameter issue. The traceability platform confirms compliance with the latest standards.
Good. The performance targets are well within the required parameters.
Reviewing the design specifications confirms the issue is not the component, it is the manufacturing parameters.
Precisely.
Ensure the EMC standards are met during the bake.
We are monitoring the parameters closely.
And logging the energy consumption for the sustainability audit.
Ensure these specifications are met for the electrostatic discharge protection.
Confirmed. The protocols align with the standards shown here.
Good. We are ready for production commencement. Meticulous preparation is critical. Check the component placement against the schematic.
Verified. Adhering strictly to the standards ensures readiness.